for tuning in, guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be going through all of the tech items I keep in my backpack. I use these daily, mainly for filming for clients. So we're going to go through each individual item, go through the pricing, and at the end we're going to total it up and see how much you can get it for. So let's jump right in and take a look. So first up, we've got the iPad Pro. It's a 2017 model, bought it 3 years ago. When you look at it in comparison to the 2020 model, there is quite a few differences, but then the price is massively significant in terms of the saving that you'll make. So the processor difference is that the 2017 model has an A10 chip, and the 2020 model has an A12 chip. It's gone from a 6-core to an 8-core processor. Also, the 2020 model has 6GB of RAM, and it's also got Wi-Fi 6. So those are the differences, really. But obviously, the speed difference is quite significant as well between the two models. But it's a massive saving. So if you're in the market for an iPad, pop on eBay and grab one. You won't be disappointed. They're still quick, still smooth. Great big screen on there. Go and check it out. The next item I've got is Panasonic Lumix DC FZ82. This is my daily camera, which I use to film all of the stuff for clients and also all of my YouTube videos. It's an all-round camera, great for photography, great for filming. It's got a 4K lens on there, so if you're going to be doing YouTube videos, most of the creators nowadays use the 4K camera, which really makes your content stand out from above the rest. Next one, Samsung Galaxy Fold. This is my daily phone. What can I say about it except that it's massive, it's heavy, it's cumbersome, but it's unique. There's no other handset like it on the market at the moment, apart from obviously the Fold 2. The Fold 2 is a step up in design. There's no bezel, there's a faster processor, but really for the money, what you're getting is a real niche product. Everywhere I take it, everyone is asking, oh, what phone is that? Where did you get that? Can I have a look at it? You get a real attraction to the product. As you can see, there's a big screen on there. It's great for browsing on YouTube, great for looking at artwork as well, especially when you're listening to music. You can see the album artwork really clearly on here. This is my daily driver. I'd really recommend it. Moving on to my headphones that I keep in my rucksack with me on a daily basis. This is the TaoTronic wireless headphones. The reason why I got these is, one, they're so cheap, but two, they look pretty cool. They're a really sleek black design. The earpieces as well, you can't go wrong with these earpieces. They're so soft and cushiony, really comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and also the sound quality is amazing. I do have a pair of Beats headphones, and I'd say that these are on par with Beats. Hands down, these are really good. They've also got some good connectivity, so you can connect them via Bluetooth or using a headphone jack in one of your devices, the old elusive headphone jack. But we won't go into that. An absolute bargain as well compared to the Beats headphones. Really can't go wrong with these. Now this little baby is a little pocket rocket. Suits my needs perfectly. It's not up to GoPro standards by any means, but what do you expect for the price? Obviously I'll reveal all the pricing at the end, but you'll be surprised how cheap this is, and the quality of it is amazing. I mainly use this camera for different angles when I'm trying to film in continuity, so it's perfect for what I use it for. There is a slight fisheye lens on there, but it's not massively noticeable when you're in post. It also has an accessory pack with it. You get the stand, the head harness, the body harness, the wrist harness. For the price, you really can't go wrong. And finally, moving on to the newest addition to my little setup. This is the pièce de résistance, the Dronex Pro Quadcopter quadcopter. It says it films in 4K on the box, but I'm not so sure, more like 1080p when I've looked at it in post. It also has many functions. You can call the drone back, you can turn the lights on and off, you can raise it up and down by the touch of a button. It's also extremely fast, very dangerous when you're flying inside. PS, don't fly inside. I've had a few accidents involving light bulbs. That's all I'm going to say about that. Right, let's quickly go through the pricing of each item. The iPad Pro was £400 on eBay, that's refurbished. The TaoTronic wireless active noise cancelling headphones on Amazon at 40 quid. Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G, 512GB storage, refurbished on eBay for £630. The newer G2 4K camera comes with accessory pack, that's £122 on eBay. The Drone X Pro quadcopter on eBay for £53 only, that's a great buy. Total cost £1,245 quid. Really, you can't go wrong with any of these products. I'd recommend all of them. I also forgot to mention the cost of the Lumix camera. The Lumix camera is around £300. You can find this available on Amazon or any good camera shop. So that about wraps it up for today. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya!